Wheatgrass smoothies are a popular health trend due to their potential benefits in cancer prevention. The chlorophyll present in wheatgrass is believed to have anti-cancer properties and can help in detoxification. Wheatgrass also contains various vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that can boost the immune system. These smoothies are rich in antioxidants that can neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Researchers have conducted several studies on wheatgrass and its potential role in cancer chemoprevention. Some studies suggest that wheatgrass may inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells. However, more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms and effectiveness of wheatgrass in cancer prevention. Including wheatgrass smoothies in a well-balanced diet may be beneficial for overall health and well-being. It's important to note that wheatgrass alone cannot treat or cure cancer, and it should not replace conventional medical treatment. Consulting a healthcare professional before making any dietary changes is always recommended, especially for cancer patients. Incorporating wheatgrass smoothies into a healthy lifestyle can be a refreshing and nutritious addition to your diet. But it's important to remember that there is no magic food or drink that can definitively prevent or cure cancer. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet, regular exercise, and avoiding tobacco and excessive alcohol consumption, is key in cancer prevention.